Hello guys, welcome to Woman Cosmetics. Today we're gonna be doing a holistic beauty morning routine, skincare and hair care. So keep watching. I'm gonna be using this shampoo from L'Oreal. I put shampoo on the scalp. Rinse with water. Now I'm using these two conditioners, both from L'Oreal. They're amazing for your hair. You have to try them out. I put it from the middle of the hair to its ends. Then I rinse it again. Now I comb my hair from middle to ends. Use my favorite dryer. I use my hair iron. Now time for skincare. After I wash my face, I'm gonna use this eye cream. Use your ring fingers. Hyaluronic acid because we want to hydrate our skin. Just a few drops. And start applying it all over your face. This moisturizer is amazing for the day. It has a little bit of SPF. Of course, I'm gonna use my sunscreen. This chapstick from Lip Care, and I really like it because it gives me like a pink tone. I put some makeup on and I'm ready. Hope you really like this video. See you next time. Bye!